What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back.
So today we're taking you through 8-minute abs. This is a quick ab circuit that you can do before workout, after workout, weekly, daily, just to build up your ab strength.
Exactly. So the format of this workout is pretty simple. We're going to take you through 8 different exercises. We're going to work for 40 seconds, give you a 20-second break.
Yes.
And if you want a more advanced workout, you can follow Juice. And if you need some modifications for some of the exercises, you can follow me.
Yes, we're not going to waste any time. We're going to get right into this
Let's
workout.
get right into it.
All right, that was the 8-minute ab circuit. Hopefully it got in a nice ab pump like we did.
Yes.
And I even got in a nice little sweat.
Oh yeah.
So as you can see, it does not take long to get these abs fired up.
Yep.
And like we mentioned at the beginning of the video, this is something that you can do daily, weekly, or as often as you need to really build up your core strength.
Oh yeah, so if this wasn't enough for you, you can go ahead and repeat this. It was only 8 minutes, so repeat it a couple times if you want to, or you can follow up this workout with one of our other workouts. We've got dumbbell, kettlebell, body weight workouts, you name it. So go check out some more of our workouts if this was not enough for you. And if you did enjoy this workout, please give it a thumbs up.
Please.
And if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you. All right, guys, so if you'd like more content from us, make sure you're following us on Instagram at Toya Sherelle.
At Juicy, Texas.
All right, guys.
Hey.
Time to go feed these abs.
Yes.
So we'll see you guys
Give me some jabs to these
at
abs.
the next one.
Give me some jabs.